So today topic is subset, proper subset, superset and universal set. One by one we'll see. Consider A is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and B is given 2, 3 and 5. So what we are finding, each element of set B, this set, is an element of set A. So we'll say set B is subset of set A, and in symbol we'll write that B is subset of A. This symbol is utilized to represent the subset. One more example we'll see. I am writing two examples. A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, so on, so on. And B is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, so on. So this is set of natural numbers and this is set of whole numbers. So we are finding that each member of set A is member of set B. Means natural numbers are contained in set of whole numbers. So we can say that natural numbers are subset of whole numbers. Natural numbers are subsets of whole numbers. Similarly, we can say that natural numbers are subset of integers also. Z is representing integers. Now we'll see proper subset. See this example, A is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what we are finding, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here. But at least one member of set B is not present in A. So what we'll say, A is a proper subset of B and will represent as A is proper subset of B. Similarly, we can say that natural numbers are proper subset of whole numbers, or we can say that natural number is proper subset of a whole number. Now see number of subsets. For that mathematician have given formula 2 to the power n, when n represents number of elements of a set. Like if A is given 1, so its subsets are 1 itself and an empty set. For your kind information, empty set is a subset of each set. Subset of each set, and one more thing, each set is subset of itself. Subset of itself. So what we are finding here, number of members are 1, hence number of subsets are 2 power 1, that is equal to 2. Verified here, 1 and 1, 2. See, another set B is given A and B. So if each subset we have to find out. So first will be A, second member will be B, third will be A and B, and 5. So how many subsets are there? 4. You see here, number of elements are 2, hence number of subsets will be 2 power 2, that is equal to 4. Here it is. Similarly, if C is written as 1, 2 and 3, So its subsets will be alone 1, alone 2 as a set, alone 3 as a set, 1 and 2 as a set, 1 and 3 as a set, 2 and 3 is a set, set itself is a subset, and 5. You will find that number of subsets are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And see, number of elements are 3. Hence, number of subsets are 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. Number of proper subset will be number of subsets minus 1, and as your number of subsets is 2 power n, it will be minus 1. This formula will be applied to find out total number of proper subsets. Now we'll come to next topic, that is superset. Superset. If A is subset of B, it implies that B is a superset of A. That is, B is superset, this sign we are using. Similarly, if natural number is subset of whole number, it implies that whole number is superset of natural numbers. Now we'll come to the topic universal set. Consider A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to 20. B is given 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. C is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 20. D is given 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. E is given 1, 4, 9 and 16. So what we are finding, B is subset of A, because each element of B is in A. C is also subset of A. D is also subset of A. And E is also subset of A. So what we are finding, B, C, D and E all are subset of same set A. So this set A is known as universal set, and for that we are using symbol capital U, or we are writing PXI. This way we are using this symbol, we are using, but better to use this one. Next topic is complement of set. Consider universal set is given as 1, 2, 3, so on up to 10, and A is given 2 and 4. Then complement of A will be represented as A dash, and its member will be elements of this universal set except 2 and 4. So it will be 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Similarly, if set B is given 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, so complement of set B dash will be represented as 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9.